Good morning and good afternoon. Sanding Boy is back, painting with Sanding Boy. Are you ready for the next episode? I missed you. Here we go again with the nonsense. I'm having a bad day, but who gives a crap? And like I said before, if you don't like watching this, don't watch it. Just turn it off. But it's awesome, isn't it? It's just a comedy act. Who gives a crap? Because I gotta go take a crap. We'll make a quick little episode here. Oh. Go Blackhawks. I know they lost, but they'll win again. They always win. They're the best team in the world. Go Blackhawks. Go Blackhawks. Of course, Will Rock is on again. And they're actually playing a decent song, a new song that I like. Do you like it? I love you. I miss you. How have you been? Where's everyone gone? What happened to Sanding Boy? Well, I don't know what happened to him, but he's working all the time and I'm tired. Oh, hold on one second. I'm back. I just had to hear Will Rock needs to be turned up a little bit more. I love you and I miss you. What's up, everyone? There we go. I got the blue tip painting brush. It's wonderful, isn't it? Let's paint the head again. Yeah. Guess what? It's not paint. It's mayonnaise. It's wonderful. I'm not painting right now, so I have to come up with something. Who gives a crap? Who gives a crap? Yeah, it doesn't work as well as paint does, so, but who gives a crap?
So obviously, I'm not sure what your specific plans
Yeah, look, it's kind of transparent looking. Whatever. Who gives a crap? As long as you're laughing to it, I don't give a crap. And if you're not, then turn it off.
Three doors down, playing. Hell yeah.
It is. Look, it's mayonnaise. I can eat it. It doesn't taste right in the paintbrush, but I don't give a crap.
Pretty cool. And military personnel get in for free. I thought that was pretty neat. It's Eddie P. The nighttime is fun time with Pearl Jam.
And here, look what we got next. Salad dressing. Look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, how's that? That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's wonderful, isn't it? Yeah, here we go. Oh, it's a mustard. Yeah, mustard. How about mustard? Yeah, that looks even better, doesn't it? Yeah, look. Mustard. Oh, yeah, mustard. Yeah. And how about some Pepto-Bismol? Add some Pepto-Bismol to it. Yeah. What do you think of that? Yeah, it's wonderful, isn't it? Sanding Boy is back. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Bleh.